To get started, log into your WordPress website, go to the plugins directory, click on Add New, search for KBucket, and when the KBucket plugin appears, install it on your WordPress website. After you install and activate the plugin will show up on the left-hand pane. The first thing that you should do from the home page is under Getting Started, click on the link and register an account if you're here for the first time. Once you register, you will get a confirmation email, and then you can simply log into your account. Once you log into the account, scroll down below and you will see your API keys. The program will generate one API key. You can create more if you have more sites that you want to test. And when you're ready to upgrade, simply buy a license. When you buy the license, your new API key will appear here and you can replace that with your existing key. Regardless, what you should do is copy the API key. Now go over to your settings tab, copy the link under the API key, go down below, update your settings, and now you're ready to get started and configure your KBucket.